Hey guys, it's Jess here from Savvy Apple, and I just wanted to quickly show you how to drag and drop movable pieces in Google Slides activities. And this is particularly on an iPad since it's a bit different than a computer. So here we're going to be dragging the correct difference into the blue bucket. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the object that I'd like to move, and when the black bar appears underneath, I'm going to hold and slide the object to where I'd like it. When I'm there, I'm going to just let go, and it'll stay there. So let's try again. I'm going to tap on the object. When that black bar appears, I'm going to hold and slide it to where I want it, let go when I'm there. You want to avoid, this is a crucial thing, you want to avoid touching that blue box that appears around the object because that will resize your image. You don't want to resize your image, you want to drag it and drop it. If you happen to accidentally resize it, go up to your two arrows at the top of your screen. The one pointing to the left is the undo button. That'll just undo the last action you did. So that is a huge lifesaver. If you wanted to redo it, go forward again and redo that action, press the right hand arrow and it'll redo it, but I want to go back and undo that. So really just two quick tips that go a long way with these distance learning resources. The kids absolutely love these drag and drop features and the text box features, so just give them those few tips and they will definitely, it'll help them a lot. So hope you enjoy that, hope that helps. Come back for more quick tips coming up soon, and if you're interested in this resource, I've left a link below. Otherwise, we will see you soon.